Hello everyone, my name is Yesenia Grisales. I am 24 years old. I am lived in the municipality of Argelia Cauca. In my free time, likes to go to the gym and spend time with my beloved son, walking in the park. I work in the commercial areas. I enjoy cooking and I live with my little son Liam Caleb. Now present my recipe, hot cake recipe ingredients. 3/4 of cold evaporated milk, 1 egg, 2 tablespoons of milk buttered, 1 teaspoon vanilla extract, 1 cup of flour for hot cakes, 2 butter spoons and honey. Let's go. First, mix the evaporated milk with the egg and add 2 tablespoons of milk, butter, the vanilla essence, and the flour for hot cake. Second, in a honey frying pan, add little butter and with the help of a spoon pour a little of the mixture to form hot cakes. Cut on the both sides. I repeat procedure with the rest of the preparation. Until serve the hot cakes and the honey to your liking and ready to enjoy this delicacy. You can accompany the with hot or cold milk. Thank you.